Right. I just want to make a quick video. How can you use my Blender app on to create UE5 UCX custom collision? Here, we're gonna download this. I hope this is the latest version. So I don't compile it because it's been forgotten. I don't haven't touched my project. So what you could do is, I think you don't need to extract when you download this one. And let's find my project. Uh, Give me a moment because I forgot where did I put it, to be honest. Okay, so hmm, where did I put it? Where did I put my project? Okay, so go. Maybe I'll go. What should what? Oh, it's a UE5 project. I think it's inside of one of my. Let's go to Epic Games. Um, maybe GitLab. Yeah, I think it's Cosmic Frontiers. Because I'm trying to make a space game, like simulated space game, but really real, realistic. Okay, but I don't think that Kit Bash spaceship could do much, because I don't know. Maybe I need to put some interiors in it while, because there's no interior on that kit. Yeah. Is it exported? Full body, he collision profile. I think this should do. I forget the wait. Let me check on my desktop. Maybe I have the latest project there. Because I think I haven't touched this one. I don't want to show you my desktop items because there's a lot there. Desktop. Is it this? So, this one. C no CG. It's not this test, not this test. Let's see this test. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you how can you use my plugin that create UCX enemy. Yeah, I think I have tests here, like a lot of things like to test. And why are we in a script? This is not the one because I think I made one. What is this? Is the modified one, full body. I hope this is the one. Because I made wait, where is it? So you have profile here, collision, collection, coolers, riff. I think I cleaned all of them already, but I don't know where did I put the latest one. Anyway, we can just use this one just for the example. Is this one is clean? Let me see if this one is clean. Because I already rig most of them. Yeah, but this one is not pretty much good. Is it not pointing the right way? Look at this. You have some assets here. Maybe we can just like that to make us. Anyway, this is the latest that I made. We don't really need to. Just go to your plugin, extensions. Or maybe I'll uninstall this and getting the latest one uninstalled. Okay, so it's been removed, and then refresh local, refresh remote, just to make sure that it doesn't install from disk. Oh, Minerva Shift final asset exported. Oh, this one. That one. Exported. Minerva ship final. Oh, this is the one. We can open that. But first, we're gonna install this first. Downloads. You can see my downloads. This is UCX2 2.01, and then install it from. So as you see, this is the whole panel, right? Um, anyway, we're gonna close this one, don't save. Then we're gonna open this one. So this is the last time that's this one. I'm creating a video like a timeline, uh, time lapse video. Just to where is it? Give me a moment. It's just one. Hmm. Yeah, maybe Blender will flow. I don't want to show you this one. Just checking where what what view I left it from. I left it on the side, but it opened like this side. Okay. Anyway, we're not gonna do that. How can you show you that? I have some plug in here, screencast like this, but it's not really showing because when I press anything, it's not showing you screencast key. Yeah, yeah, I didn't enable it. My bad. Okay, what we're gonna do here? Open my plugin, and then as you can see, I managed to rig everything inside. This one doesn't have interior, but I think I made one. My first one, I made an interior, a simple interior for this, like with it has a driver seat and so on and so forth. I think I removed this panel already just to have it like like this. But yeah, but for now, that's not our purpose or objective. I'm gonna show you how can we. Oh no, um this is not updated. Maybe yeah, because I have some merge now. Maybe I haven't. Let's try to install the other one. Okay. Go to your plugins, preferences, then uninstall this one if you install it. Maybe we go to my. I'm gonna download this instead. Then extract this one. Extract. I don't think that it will install with other files. You can just try preferences, then get extension, install from this, our downloads, date modified, which is the other one, and UCX2, install from this. Oh, did it install? Did it? No, because it's need to be zip like the UCX2. Okay, let's zip it, add to archive, zip, then this one outside. Make sure it's outside so we can see it. Okay, so install from disk. Go up, and then you see this. I just zip it. Okay, now it's installed like this. You can see it. Now we are bounding box and merge. What it could do first, I'm gonna show you that first. Uh, showing the RAM. Maybe we show outline. Scenes. Okay, not scenes. Set browse. No, 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 no. Why are you like this? View layer. View layer. Video. Doing it one by one now. No, it's not supposed to be like this. I want collection. Where are you? Oh my. This is what happen if you go. If you go, no, I mean, if you didn't use your blender and then you do a lot of things, right? Maybe this one from collections. Collection. No, not that one. View layer. I don't know why it does this. Oh man, image. Use data. I haven't used this. Just wanna have my collection. Like, see, there's no scene like collection view for your outliner. Get your general. Wait, what is happening? Scene. Anyway, we have collision profiles here. The same thing. Is it selected? Um, maybe I did. I don't know where this one comes. Maybe I'm in focus. Oh, no. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, sorry about that. I guess got confused. Um, if you check bounding box, I think this one, if unchecked, you can use merge because you need to use merge. I mean, use bounding box to able to use the merge because the purpose of merging is like when you select multiple objects like this, multiple objects square, for example, or maybe this one is just the simple thing. Okay, well, I'm selecting everything. Okay, so this one and this one. If you select them, it will create a bounding box outside the object and then merge them as a single box. Now you can see here. See, it's wrong, right? Oops, I'm sorry. What happened there? Uh, Maybe a simple box like this one. Select this one. Oh, then select this one. Okay, let's see. Still error? Or maybe fill error contain object you say. Hmm, what is that? I need to change where. Why is this one the same? I don't know why it's not showing my collection view. I don't know why it's seen like this. I wish I can. Let's change our. How can we put it back? Like reset your workspace, right? I hope there's a button here. I'm sorry, I'm not a Blender generalist. I just made things easier for me. That's why I made a plug in, but it doesn't work properly. I don't know. Um, Maybe I changed something in the code after. for example, maybe I just make you not to auto smooth. Okay, shape A, mesh, vacuum. For example, come over here, guy. E one, then shift E, X, then shift E Y like this. Okay, so for example, I hope this one doesn't embarrass me. For example, simple boxes like this, and when you select object, and it is. Oh man. Still, I think there's something wrong with the. Hmm. Why? What's wrong with this guy? Yeah, I have something here, and it's already this, right? I can even delete them. Wait, let me find out. Maybe we could reset uh, default load factory settings. Okay, outliner, and then look at this view layer. I don't know why it happened earlier, right? Then I want to open now my project. Open recent, probably no this one. Okay, so we have outliner. Now it's wrong. 1. Why is like this? Maybe this one is unlinked. Let's try to link them. Let's try to default it again. Collection. Right, outliner, and then view layer. So what's wrong with that project? I don't know what did I did there, but if final, maybe where are you final? Don't save. It's the final then. Yeah, I wonder why is this going like this? Collecting all this one here. Now, undo history. What? Same view layer. Why are you not? I don't want this. I don't know why it's not linked. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. My filter in view layer. Ah, how dumb are you? Okay. I don't know why I turned it off. It's maybe. Okay, so we're back, we're back. Just gonna do this. Okay. Nice. Okay, so delete everything. Oh, my plugins. Because I reset to default. Now I need to install them again. Maybe, what's this? Only access one, continue offline. Oh no, online. Alright, right mouse navigation, update first. I love Bluetooth. Why get one installed? Okay, I want Bluetooth. I'm using that anyway. What they are flow tools, Screencast, our plugin. Okay, this for now. Screencast, enable it, it's enabled. Just wondering if I can right click. No, what's is happening. Again, preference. Uh, just the right click mouse navigation. Because it's in here. I don't know why it's doing this. One box select. Okay. Okay. So right click is like, mimicking Unreal Engine WASD when you are holding right click. Okay, good thought. Okay. So here, bounding box. Make sure you have your collection selected. Then click this one. You can um, merge from bounding box like that. Then just control Z. Yeah. I'm just gonna give you example for this one. Um, I know why it's error earlier because it's unchecked our collision profiles. You can select it from here, but I haven't put any validation that it needs to be enabled. Okay, that's why it gets error. Maybe next update for my plugin. All right, so when you select and merge, it will create a triangle like this. And there's another one issues right here. Make it like in the middle, not in the middle of those three. Let's see. Yeah, same thing. So that's the issue again. I have issues again. I think I fixed it. I fixed that already. Yeah, it's not making like that. Because the moment I try this, only I selected two. You see, it's middle, right? But I wonder why when you are selecting three, maybe it's not. Or maybe I'll try three, then selecting middle, right? Yeah. So it's down here because maybe this is the middle of uh, the volume. Just need to move them, right? So yes, that's a problem. Here this is new as well. When you create a new one, and it will auto hide for you selected objects, right? So it's hidden, so you can continue working on what you are working, right? For us, oh man, this is sad. I think my merge thing is broken because it's not aligned. So, let's try to rotate this. No, not that one. Why? Even if we rotate them like this, it's not. So where is the middle point? It's not even like, but it's angled like this. I don't know why. Um, it's supposed to be like from here to here, right? So if you don't put merge, oh, maybe because this one is original native as slanted. It's like rotated like this. but I just put it like that. That's why the middle, maybe the middle point is rotated. I don't know. Um, but for here, if you're not selecting merge, oh, what? Yeah, I think it's rotated because it's like this when you. I don't know what is happening. Maybe I'll try to fix this more, but it's not really like this. It shouldn't be like that. Okay. So if I'm not gonna select bounding box, it will create like uh it will create this one X like a king model. Because if you can tab this, you see this. There's a lot of points. There's a lot of vertex there that it will make your collision as complex. But here does the same thing. Oh no, what is? But it was simple bounding box. Yeah, bounding box is fixed. I don't know what happened there, but as you can see, it's fixed right now. So maybe we can try again for merging things. Oopsie. No, maybe for here, merge. Another one is not like that. Oh, maybe open and close, not this. Select this, create like that. Maybe delete it. Delete it. Trying, yeah, fix. I don't know what happened there, but right now I'm seeing like it's being fixed. Unlike the other, you can see this, like it's slanted or something. Maybe the old data is messing up. And right now, maybe we can create a bounding box for these two. Okay, bounding box, merge. See, this maybe I made some like variable that stores the vertex or the data. That's why, and it's not being cleared. That's why when you create them, it's not being clear. But when you create like uncheck this and you know, it's like caching probably. And right now it's fixed, so you can see here and it's simple bounding box like this, and like this one when you uncheck bounding box is still this copy mimicking the mesh you have and make vertex or convex data to it. But I suggest that if it's like a simple box like that, you don't make like this because it's still not optimized. But as you can see here, this one is optimized merging. But if you want the player comes inside in the middle, of course, right? Make it this. Check this one, not merge, of course. See merge it. Just no, it's just okay. So as you can see, it's way different and optimized like this. You don't need. I wish I can make like a little slant here just to mimic this one. Maybe more coding for me. So we can select all of this just to compare what is those things, right? You can see this is more optimized than more vertex, right? And as you can see as well here, when you it's not merge, even if you check that doesn't matter as long as you are selecting one vertex. And one more thing, if you create a collision like this, you don't move it. You can just delete them and use data. You got a lot of use data like this. Um if you are just purge it, because if you are deleting much thing, like deleting, and it's just unlinking. The Blender just unlinking it, but it doesn't really delete the thing, right? So you need to click the purge for you to clean everything up. So for here, we can make everything like this simple box, and just check it if you want to hide them. For me, I'm gonna hide it just manually, and then you can select everything as like this, but uncheck them so you can create them. All right. For example, I have maybe you can create this one or this one, or maybe circle select. Right? Circle select them. Circle select this. Why selecting this? Control this one. We don't need those. Hope we can see all the selected thing. We don't need that. We're only selecting this. Okay. So we are selecting this one. It's multiple, right? It's multiple objects. So we are creating bounding box for this because this one is not simple. Select bounding box. Anyway, you don't do here because when you export this with bones, it will create the collision for you. But if you really want to create a simple collection for that, you can do so. Okay. So right now, what we do here? Oh man, I think we did terrible things. Okay, make it merge. I forgot. Sorry. Just gonna delete it later on. Okay. So we have this merge here. What? See that is the root of this one is there. The root. Did I? Am I selecting the root? Yes. I'm selecting it. So control click. Then make sure you only select this one. It is still like connecting. Okay, so make another one selected. You need to make sure that you are selecting the able to select this. Okay, is it this one? Okay, and any other else, you need to delete them. Yes, what is these things? There's a lot of things that we made that we don't need. Forgot to click merge. Okay, right left, well, base, delete that one. We want to delete the wrong one. Main. Why we have main? Oh, oh yeah, because I accidentally include them earlier. Okay, so cluster, we have this again. Them up. Okay, to fix the bugs, I don't know if you're gonna encounter that. Uh, just a recap. Just maybe remove the auto hides for now. Okay, just to fix the problem. So if you can see, it's slanted and make mess. Really mess. Don't forget to put your data. Okay, so first uncheck, then create bounding box, then Check them again. And then if you wanna create the bounding box, data, so it won't show like with 004. That's why it's showing 004 because you have existing object right here. Okay, but this one is like um, another one. So click them, and then it will fix the issue. Okay, this one, another one. Check them, create, but delete them again. Then click. I know there's an extra step, but if you just encounter the error, okay. So that's fixed. One more thing. How can we clean this one? I don't know why it's being blank, but it should be clean because we have like 004 right here. So I don't know why it's not enabling, right? Maybe I did something wrong with the data as well. Okay? I mean the code. You can just um uh do this, okay? And for this one, yes, we merge it, and this is the simple collection for the whole thing, right? You can name this as the root. What you name on this should be named as this. What is the name of this? Select br root. Um, because as we merge it, that's why it's named as this. The last thing I think the last thing you select. But for us, we're gonna name it as this. So copy paste this one and then name it. And then paste it right here and add 0, 0. Okay, that should do. Let's try to make another one. For example, this one. We click everything. Just click this one. I hope I didn't. Um, I select everything. It's right. Uh, exclude the bones like that. Try to move it. If you are selecting the proper, so you forget something, right? Move it again. You see that nothing else left, and then get this merge, then and create, right? But we're gonna try that this one should be the last one, so it rename as that. Hopefully that my code did it, or else, or maybe rename it as the last name. Well, we'll see. The last selected items, right? So let's see. Okay, I think that's the last item, but I'll definitely get the name of the active ones soon. So maybe I can make some notes here. Maybe what's that? Um, the box number. I think so far that's our issues. Okay. Um, so okay, we have this one collision, and I want to show you some another functionality of this one. Okay? Just uncheck all of them, and then what we're gonna do here is select this body. Uh, so you can see this is a diagonal slanted object. If you this one is the one that I need to make as well. Like, uh, so right now, if you create a bounding box for this object, like checking bounding box, I'll show you anyway. So you see, it's not getting the the rotation and stuff. Just create. what is end, that's end, and that's the starting point. Make it like a box. All right. So the my solution for that case, you can either uh, rotate it in normal, normal rotation like zero before creating a bounding box. But there's another way to do that. Just click here. Uh, you can select your own bounding box. Uh, for example, this is a simple one. Okay? Circle or maybe make it uh, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Make sure you select. You can select everything. Circle one and select this one. Shift click. So it creates like circle there and goes here, right? Um, or maybe because it's a circle, you use all those side thing of control. Okay, remove this one because it will be inside. So after on this point, it will the highest point, then straight right there. Okay, then from here you can get the highest point as well, which is this guy. Then the farther point you can let two because it's like slanted. Okay, then we have another one down there. I hope that it makes it properly. Let's see then. This is a first trial, and like I said, I tried it many times like a simple box, but hopefully that's it. You can just get the highest point, which is highest there, the lowest point right here, since we're gonna add this one, these two things. So you can just include this one here. Oh, what? What did it happen? Control Z. Oh, not outside. Control Z. Not Shift Z. Control Z. Undo history. Box select. Box select. Loop select. That's no problem. Edit. Undo history. Select. 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 Yeah, we still have the bounding box. Right here. Box select. Another select. That's my problem. Okay. What we're gonna do here is I forgot to press shift. Shift, alt, and click. Right? Did it remove our selected tab? Okay. And then control click like this to remove the other stuff. Okay. Just need the highest point right there. Then shift, click again at this point and this point. Okay. You can just remove this inside because it will just jump up right there. Don't need like super detailed collision. It's better if it's like simple. Simpler is better. Okay, so highest point right here. I think we should do. It will connect them anyway. All right. So I think we'll try. We'll try it. Okay. Maybe, no, not bounding box selected from object. Okay. So we made one. We go. Click everything. All said. See, as you can see, it's perfectly made like this one, right? Then when you click it, then tab, right? Yeah, so it creates like No, it makes create perfectly because I did selected object. That's my fault. We can just undo history, select from selected object, not that one. Box select. So we are selecting them, but not selected object. From selected vertices. Okay, sorry, my fault, my bad. Okay, so selected vertices, as you can see, we can just go back to object mode and check what we have here. Alright, so we select a cargo door. Right, see, as you can see, it's super simple convex collision. No more vertices, it's just triangle with all the faces like this. Triangle, triangle, right? And one triangle on the side of them. And you can inspect them like, how can we isolate it? I forgot. Flash, yeah, okay. Yeah, you can see, as you can see here, I think this one is not really optimized, right? See, but it's okay. It's not really hurting your computer, right? It's not gonna hurt anyone's computer unless it's Windows XP, probably. I don't know. All right. So next up, I taught you um how to select it from vertices. That's one of the feature of my thing. But if you have like existing V groups, for example, in this body, uh, anyway, we're gonna make a new one because we don't have anything here. Where's the data? Oh, I think we have. No, I think this is the legs. I just added them here. Okay. What we do have? We have UCX here. No. Okay. For example, here I can make collision from here. Uh, just for example. Okay. See. Okay. So from here, for example, I'm adding it, or if you don't want to rename it after you add, have some utilities here. Add selected vertex to V group. Okay, it will create you a number. Oh, see that? That's good, right? I'm gonna make another one. Yes, and add the V group. Okay, then other one, sample of this one. Oh, faces. Then you can just go back to V groups, for example. Uh, I think this one. Oh, I need to go to the edit mode, okay? Because it's vertices related. Yeah, I think I need to select one. Probably select three more than. Okay, this is a bug. Okay. From existing V groups. I have UCX here. This is the problem I said. I need to save it. Oh, maybe I have bug again. Okay, maybe I'll fix this from existing V groups, but it's usual, just a bug. It will easily can be updated. Okay, so from existing V group bugs, um, whose only use it. So I know that. All right, so I'm not selecting anything, but the problem is when I select choose only group with prefix UCX, even though I have UCX here, but it won't selecting. Okay, and also uh, it only select the group with what do you call this, with vertices more than three. So if you are saving like two and then you add the V group, it will not add here, or it will not create it there, because the the requirement should be three, more than three, to make a triangle, right? In this feature, you can just create this. It will create these four, then rename it for you. We can just try. Okay, let's try. Okay, you see that? Block body is the, maybe we hide it. So this one is the one. Okay, the side, the top, the other side. Right? Then where's the other one? Where are you? Oh, the half. That's the half. Half. I'm using half because I can just make a mask from the thing. So I'm not gonna use it anyway. But I still from that thing, I can show you anyway. This has it. Oh no, I deleted it. Uh, Tab, and then serve feature modifier. We can just add modifier mask here, and then select exclude tab. Okay. Then when you this dot one, I don't know why it's not working. Working. I don't know why this one. But the purpose of it is will make a half when you are viewing or in object mode. Because from here you can just right click everything and then hide, right? But that only affect when you are, let's say you are working inside, that only affect when you are edit mode. But in this mask, I don't know why it's not working. Maybe I need to put it up, probably. Working, my god. Anyway, why is not up? Maybe I have something like the group out hide, show it again. Alt H, I mean. Let's go to data, then have, select them, deselect and select. Uh-huh. Okay, so I'm selecting you, but not on the top. Maybe that's why. Okay, that explains. Well, yeah, I'm selecting only this. That's why it's not hiding, because it's hiding, but only inside, I believe. Maybe we can just add more stuff here, like this one. It's better if you select the X and make a half like this, and then assign. Okay, deselect every. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, just assign. Okay, I assign them. And then from here, make again masking. It's a different tutorial now. Okay, okay. And when you go to your um, object mode, you can see here. Right? Mess up my thing again. This is going back. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the purpose of it. Like making a mask hat. We're not gonna do that. Okay. So here, um, you can on this feature you can just remove this one and then create from there like custom video list. You can just click this as well. You'll create all of this, but I believe that it will create the half earlier because it's a valid data because we have a bugs on selecting only UCX, right? Like that. See, I'm removing this and I'm only creating uh, that birch data. So it would give me 100. Okay. Um. So for instance, to select this. Okay. So select that. Remove the half. But if I manage to fix the repo, it won't be a problem. So selecting all of this, yeah, the purpose of this one is you can custom what you want. So for example, the body is already existed, the first group, and you can just X and then create from there. So for example, we removed the half earlier, so this one should create three only, right? So yeah, it create three parts of your collision. Um, yes, if I were you, the data, if I'm gonna create like that, I'm gonna select this, the highest point again, and then the highest point right here. That's the lowest point right here. Okay, but the problem here, not really a problem. That should do a lowest point. For example, it is like a curve, right? I'll show you anyway. And then create from selected vertices. All right, so we created them. Go back to your object mode and make sure you select it. We move it X, so you can see. No, that's not the proper one. Do it. Just isolate them, right? As you can see, it created this one straight right like this, right? So when you are viewing inside and you want to go there on that side, it will block your head, right? This is they made a collision line. What you can do on that case, say, let's say tab, we are selecting that. I hope I can make it right. Because we have another uh, where is it? It's kind of confusing because here, inside object like this, you can select those and this one and one, the other one, and this. Yeah, I think yes. Yeah, but you don't. Right. I think this one should do. Okay, and this one. Is that the correct one? No. Control click and follow the line should be right here, probably. Oh, oh, wait, I'm sorry, I mean W. I think this one, right? Okay, so going to the other side, what we could do here is selecting this and the straight one right there. Uh, what I do recommend is hiding the other vertices that you don't want to create. Uh, okay, so selected vertices. Okay, then we created that one. Go to object mode, then the flash. See here, I think we made something better. But let's see if it's blocking. Yeah, still right. What I do recommend, you select all of this. What? Select all of this. Then, if you are creating the roof part of your ship, then hide this. Okay. Of course, you hide the other stuff as well, like things. Hide, hide all of them. Yes, hide them. You're working one, or you can. What you could do is isolate this guy, and everything will hide from you. Then go to your edit mode, and then hide the other stuff again. And this mess of my WASD again. Okay. Um, you can select this. Oh, select this one, and then L. That's included to all of them. Okay. Maybe you can just hide like this. Okay. Hide. Here you are in X-ray mode. Hide this. Hide. Oh, why deleted that? Hide. Okay. And I think this one is separated in everyone. The L. Well, I guess you don't need it here. Okay. So right now, if you are doing the other part of the ship, you can just hide all of this, just to make sure that you are only selecting the one that you wanna create collision. Okay. So hide this. So what we have here is this guy. Then maybe we could. I was thinking of better. Yeah. And when I hold it, it's like moving from other. It's not match. This is the problem on this plugin. It's not match. As you can see, when I right click and then I release it, right? What you could do here is this one is not the part of the ceiling. Let's try to remove this. Okay, the other one as well. That means all the link part. Uh, okay, so we revealed the thing that we needed to create a collision. For example, so annoying. For example, only ceiling, right? So what we could do is select this one and this one just to get our ceiling. Or let's try to build this one. But it's like alt click, so you can select all the lines there. But that's so many for us. Wait. It's so annoying. This one. So we select all of the vertices around. Then what we could do, shift alt click again for this one, but it didn't work. Maybe this one, shift alt click. This one, shift click and shift click. Okay. So I'll go down there still to just close that one. Right. Also this one. The last one right there. Okay. But we're I think that should be good. From here we can make like alt shift click like that. Okay, so it connects. You can add the last part here as well if you wanted to. Uh, like this one, shift, shift, just click, click, just leave the shift, click. That's the last part. Okay, so let's create selected vertices. Okay, so we created that one for us. Then let's remove the isolation. Then go back to object mode. The same thing. Because we made some curvature. So I do recommend, like, if there's a curvature that won't be happening. So you need to like a smallest straight or small curve that you could do, or else it will straighten up, like, making a box like this straight. Because what I do recommend is create that slant there, and then the roof, and then so it will um, create one on this side, one on that side, like, like I did in the three parts, right? But this one, if you want to think like this, because it has we close that one there, it will straighten up like that. But I think if you do like this, let's just control all of this half outside. Will unselect the other unnecessary parts. So we created this one like slanted, but the problem there is we have down here. It might close from here to here. It will close it. I know that. Just control click like this. Maybe go to X. Yes, you can see that you are only selecting the side. So both sides. Do this one. Oh, include this guy, so it will create a box. We have to close it with this up to this cell. So I think it should be. So outside that guy, let's see what happened. Okay, so created from vertices, yes. So you can see like this, right? Simpler, and it's not over. It will follow the lines. I think we're missing one there. We forgot to click. You can just Control Z, click this guy. Okay. Then create. You see? Like that. It's easy. Then you won't get away with it, right? this off body, go to object mode, this guy. It's not that simple. It's depend on how you click or vertices that it will be created, right? The less vertices you can, it's better, right? More simpler uh, version of your convex. Yeah. So I think I cover most of the thing that we could use. It's much easier than this. Like for example, this one, it's just a rectangular box, right? You can just bounding box like that and do create like this. But it create what? Why create more than that? Maybe it's slanted again. Yeah, I think it is. Um, it is like slanted, not really zero as rotation. Okay, so what you can do is like you do this and select all the sides down your this. You can just make click all the sides that you wanted to do in calculation. And just straight away as well. Do okay. Then maybe and select this one top the highest part of your circle. It's not that. This guys. What you can do here as well. Just select this one and this one. Okay. Just random select them. Uh, forget this one. If you're not keen enough, but maybe if you're creating more realistic thing, because your feet will go down. You put another collision just for to emboss those things underneath that. Okay, roll click, selecting downward. Then what else? Okay, so I think that will be it. Okay, selected vertices. Yeah, as you can see, it created part that you don't go down there because you're seeing it like, uh, like that. If there's something there, but it won't matter, I think. But it's up to you if you wanna make it more precise for collision. Because if you are using IK feet or foot, it the other foot will go down there and the other feet is right here. So it's like that, right? So you must create like that because this is a floor when you walk by. And I think the character is like smaller because this is a big ship, right? Okay, so I think that will be it for us. I hope I can fix the bugs. Just wanna show you how can you use this. But it's usable as you can see. It's better than if you are creating collision on UE5, that will so much harder. Right here you can select vertices and create collision in one click. But from there you can do much, you need to resize, add collision, and then resize them as a box. But for this kind of curvatures, simple curvatures like that, um, like this, you can do that on UE5. That's why they made something like this uh, for other 3D software. Just to, I hope they implement this as well. The naming, like they will convert as collision later on when you exported them. Okay. All right. So I hope that I fix that soon. and I want to make this game like simulation game that I'm making. Maybe I will make another ship, not this one. This is just a cargo ship. Like you can put your stuff or you know open and close and get the stuff like cargo, industrial cargo things. And this one I could hope that making a good interior here as well. And then make our door opening can be open and then all these lockers and this door and make maybe we can make a engine. We can hide this guy. We can make an engine thing here down here. Yeah, and pretty much I made separate all of the part of the ship. Uh, when you download this or import this from Cargo or from Kitbash, it's not like this. It's like the whole thing. I just made them separate for each one. You can do this as well if you want to. Like what my technique is, like select vertices and then check all the link parts. Then right click, separate or not split, separate by selection, and then it will create a new object for separated from that. That's why, for example, all of this thing is like separate, merge together, and then I just separate them as new object like this. Because when the artist created this, it's separated. They just merge it. Maybe I can just give an example, but it will mess up my name. It's like that. It will mess up my name. So maybe some video game. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoy this plugin that I made. I will link the repo in the description if you can contribute how can we improve this for better usage. That will be nice, right? So, yeah, I want some developer give some ideas as well, right? Thank you for watching. See you for the next one.